Hello there. Today we will sync clips of a character using After Effects. I don't have a character, so I'll download a free character from freepik.com. Okay. Now we have to do some changes to the character. Let's open it in Illustrator. We have to separate them to layers. In Adobe After Effects, it considers an Illustrator file as a composition and layers as objects. I'm going to put one on top of the other. We just need these different mouths and different eyes. Let's make these unnecessary layers gone. I want her mouths separated, so we can animate them easily. I will create a new layer and have placed the mouth there. I will do that to other faces as well. It's finished. Now we have to go for eyes. Okay. Now, delete all the other faces and keep only one. I'm going to make the artboard size to HD, so it will work comfortably with After Effects. Save your file. Import it to After Effects. These are my composition settings. Pre-compose mouth layers. Also eye layers. Now I'm going to make these layers looks like stairs. So there's only one mouth in one time code.
Hello. This is a sample audio.
Now it's looking good. But they couldn't be animated. So I'll enable time remapping in mouth and eye compositions.
Hello. This is a sample audio.
It's not finished. We have to convert keyframes to hold keyframes. With hold keyframes, the thing happened only when we reach the keyframe.
Hello. This is a sample audio.
Now we can go to lip syncing.
Hello. Hello.
That's easier than it looks like.
Hello. Hello. This is a oh. Hello.
We have to focus on how many different types of sounds we hear. Just use the suitable mouth in the right place.
This is a sample. This is a sample audio. This is a sample audio. This is a sample audio. This is a This is a This is a sample audio. This is a sample audio.
Okay, it's done.
Hello. This is a sample audio.
Okay. That's it for today, guys. See you my next video.
Hello. This is a sample audio.
Thank you for watching.